There's a really great hall entry area. Walk down and the first door on the right is a half bath. Nice laminate flooring throughout the main floor. When you open up into a large family room with lots of light, a large sliding glass door. It's a great space. Vaulted ceilings looks up from the second floor. The railing you can see up top. The second floor has a lookout area, which is great. Adds lots of light into the dining area. Large windows. Leads right into the kitchen. Great thing about this home is the refrigerator, stainless steel, is included with this home. Tile floor. And some things we don't see in these homes are a large pantry. Beautiful window. A really unique feature of this home is how large the backyard is. It's a completely private backyard, fully fenced. We're getting into spring, so hopefully the garden will start blooming. But you can see how large and grand this backyard is. Nice closet. There's lots of closet space in this home, which is great. Full pantry and a closet is definitely a nice feature. We're gonna start upstairs and show you the second level. So as you walk up, you'll notice how high the ceilings are. Still lots of light. This floor has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. They're large bedrooms. This is a king size bed, so it's really a big room that can allow for large furniture. Great closet space again, and lots of natural light. The second bedroom is also great size. A lot of natural light. Good closet space. Here is the first bathroom. And then it leads into another closet area. This home has wonderful closets. And then a great feature of this home is an upstairs laundry room. No more walking up and down stairs to do your laundry. This room is the master bedroom. Again, really a great space, large, 3-toned paint. Lots of natural light. It's another king size bed, so you can see how large this room is, and overlooks once again the great backyard, the private backyard. Has its private full bath. Great space. We're gonna head to the basement. We're back on the main level. In the entry area, you'll notice this door is the door that leads to the basement. The basement is fully finished. They've put new laminate flooring and new paint. It's got a large family room. It's a great space for entertaining and having that extra bonus family room. It's got a lot of light. There's also behind here, this closet is underneath the stairs, but it's really been maximized with shelving. Again, the storage in this home is phenomenal. It goes clear back behind. It's very nice storage areas. Another bathroom. This one is 3/4 with a nice big shower. This is the furnished utility room. Another area where you can add some storage as well. The 4th bedroom is located on this level. It's got a lot of light. And once again, this nice laminate floor is throughout the entire basement area. 3-tone paint once again. This home is priced well. And if you'd like a private showing, please contact us. Once again, here's the basement. Great flooring, 3-toned paint, lots of light.